We're going to demonstrate on how to check an inverter board by using an inverter phase checker. The first thing you want to do is put the unit in electrical discharge by pressing the K2 button till it says KA, which is 6 times, and watch the DC voltage dissipate. It says KA OK, so that means it has been dissipated. Now we're going to kill the equipment. Now we're going to remove U, V, and W from the compressor and hook to our inverter phase checker. So now that we're connected to the inverter checker on U, V, and W, and up here at the phase checker, you can see that it's tied to each of the leads coming out. Now we're going to go up back to the main PCB and put this in inverter test mode for compressor number 2. Now we're going to press the K2 button 10 times. Once that is enabled, you'll see down at the inverter tester all lights being lit up if the board is good. If they're all not lit up, then it means the board has failed and it needs to be replaced. So if you'll notice, during that process, the U did not light up, noting a bad board.